family, Chef Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Today in Calibama cooking, we're going to be making deep dish pizza. This is going to be so filling and delicious. This is unlike any pizza you've ever made. Trust me. Come on in the kitchen, guys. Let's cook. So family, we're going to start with our pizza dough. Now, I've already done videos for you before on how you make pizza dough and all that kind of stuff. So look those up. And I am using a little bit of homemade dough today, but you can use any pizza dough you want. This dough has risen and done all of that good stuff. And oh yeah, I'm gonna pat her down a little bit. Just get a little flour on her. Here we go. Let's get her out here. Oh yeah, this is enough pizza dough for 2 pizzas actually. We're gonna make a large, this is a 12-inch cast iron. So we're gonna make this a pretty decent sized pizza. So that's why I haven't fully separated out the two, made this into more than one size. So we are starting here. The loaf. Okay, y'all. I love my bracelet, but it's got to go. I just can't do it. I'm sorry. That's gonna have to be a picture taking bracelet because it just, okay. All right, I'm gonna cut this. Normally, like I said, you can get 2 good pizza doughs with this, but I'm gonna actually cut it about this way and use about 2/3 of it. All right, now one thing I want to do with this dough first, put a little bit of olive oil, put that around the edges here. It's going to help us have a nice little crispness on there and also make sure that it doesn't stick. Our family loves pizza. We usually have pizza Friday, doesn't everybody? But let me tell you something. When I make these deep dish pizzas, this is a family style. So it might seem like, is that enough to feed your family of 5? Well, 6 including my mom? Yes, honey. Because this thing is so filling. It's crazy. All right, so here we go. We've got our skillet ready. And I'm going to, there we go. Now, I put this up here. Now, I know that I did not do that the official pizza way. I did that the way you do when you're cooking at home, because that's what I do. And you see how I'm going around with my dough? I'm just fitting it in here, okay? And now we're going to start to fill this up. So I'm using my family's favorite seasoning, pizza toppings today. And you guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm cooking dinner right now, okay? So this is real time, okay? You think, oh, I just make videos. No, I cook dinner. That's what this is. Okay, see that? See how easy that was? We just manipulated it around. It's gonna be beautiful. Now, when you're making a deep dish pizza, usually you start on a pizza with the sauce, not on a deep dish, because the sauce will weigh it down. You want the sauce last so it can melt in. Free tip. We're gonna start with our cheese. And I've got here all kind of cheeses, just the kind that melt. We've got some cheddar in here, some Monterey Jack, some mozzarella, all kind of stuff going on. Okay, so I'm gonna put that cheese there. Now my family loves sausage pizza. So I have some ground sausage here that I've cooked. All right, see how I'm getting that all in there? Yeah, this is about 1 pound almost of sausage. And this is how you make your pizzas filling. If you're gonna make a deep dish pizza, sugar, fill it up. This will sound crazy, but I'm trusting y'all are gonna understand me. Pizza to me is kind of like fried rice. Whatever's in your refrigerator, that's what you put in it. All right, and I've also got here some bacon. I'm gonna put on there. My family loves bacon, pepperoni, and sausage pizza. I should put some onions in here, but if I do, the kids, y'all know, and I love my babies, but y'all know how kids do when you put something in pizza that they claim they don't like. You know what I mean? I don't want to hear all that. I'm gonna add some more cheese in the middle here. And then I'm gonna go on the very top with this pepperoni. We're gonna bake this in a 500-degree oven. Now, the best way to do a pizza, put it in a hot oven and keep an eye on it, because really everything in the middle is already done. You know what I'm saying? The meats are done, the pepperoni's cooked, all the stuff is done. You're just really trying to get the cheese to melt and let the crust cook. So, see how I'm doing this? Now I'm going to take my sauce, okay? And we're not gonna use a ton of pizza sauce because like I said, it's gonna weight the pizza down if we do too much. So I'm just using a simple sauce. This is an easy everyday way to have pizza, guys, okay? I'm gonna put some sauce around here. like this. I put it on the bottom directly before of a deep dish pizza, and I'm telling you, it weighs it down. It makes it soggy on the bottom. And then, I mean, it still tastes good. Don't get me wrong. I ain't say it wasn't good. But I'm just saying it's probably not gonna quite be what you was hoping for. Okay. I'm not a huge pizza sauce fan, so that's why I'm not lathering it up with pizza sauce, but I think I got a good amount on here. We'll find out, right? The troops will eat it or they won't. I'm guessing they're gonna eat it. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some herbs on here. I've got some basil. Oh, smell it? I thought it was open. I'm gonna put some basil on here and some parsley because I love basil. And there we go. Look at that. And we'll put some on the top when it comes out. Oh, I love the way the basil smells. It smells like it just smells, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like basil, but it smells good. Basil smells good to me. And some parsley on here as well. You can add anything else you want in here too. You can add oregano. I've got some olives too, but the kids, I'm trying to be nice, mommy. And I'm gonna take the rest of this cheese and go all over the top. She's like the best food taster and food critic because she can taste everything. They're boys. It's good, mommy. I don't like it, mommy. She's a girl. I like the notes of, you know how girls are. She'll notice all the stuff in it. And we'll top this with a little more basil again. And then we are gonna put this in the oven, 500 degrees. It might take 15 or 20 minutes because it's a little thick, but we're just gonna keep an eye on it. And then we will be ready to have a delicious dinner, and I'll call the kids up and it'll be time to chow down. Let's get this puppy in the oven. Well guys, I just took this out of the oven. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. See that? Oh, I'm gonna put a little olive oil on the top. This is just the stuff that I do, okay? And then I take a little bit of this pecorino romano, which is kind of like akin to Parmesan, okay? Oops, oops. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the very top. Now, important to note, do not get impatient and cut it right away. As much as we want to, I'm telling you, it's not ready. You gotta let it wait. You gotta let it rest, okay? I don't want to either, but I'm just telling you what I know. Look at that. See that? See how nice and crisp that is on the outside? And that little bit of olive oil we put made it so that, ooh, hot. But see how it's pulling away? That's what we want. All right, guys, that's how you make a deep dish pizza. And this is how you become mom of the century, because what kid doesn't like this? You know what I mean? And this last cheese sprinkling step is totally optional, but trust. Nice little salt taste with it. So excited. All right, guys, enjoy. I hope you have, I'm gonna go eat this, okay? I gotta let it cool first. I wanted to put the cheese on it while it was hot. That's why I did that. But it's time. It's time to let it cool and then enjoy it. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time right here in the Love Lab for more Calibama cooking with Chef Lorious. That's me. Happy cooking.